Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you installation of OpenCV in Python on Windows machine. So let's start the video. Before installing OpenCV, you should install Python and PIP on your system. If you don't have Python installed, you can check out my description box, as well as you can click on I button to watch the video and install Python. So guys, first of all, I'm going to start my command prompt. So just type cmd in search box, and here you can see my command prompt has been started. Now I'm going to type a command python -- version just to show you what Python version I'm having. Also, I'm going to show you PIP version. So I'm typing PIP -- version. So it is showing me version of PIP. PIP is one of the very important library for installing any of the packages in Python. So guys, now I will open my IDLE and I will show you that I'm not having OpenCV already installed on my PC. So for that, I'm just starting my IDLE, and here I'm typing a command import CV2. And guys, you can see here I'm getting error message that no module name CV2. That means CV2 is not installed. Now let's come back to command prompt again, and here I will type PIP space install space OpenCV-Python. So this command will install OpenCV on your system. So here you can see installation has been started. It will not take more time. So guys, my installation is done. Here it's showing me one message in green color, that is for upgrading the PIP. Without that also it will be installed. So my this OpenCV has been installed. I'll go back to IDLE again, and here I'm typing import CV2, and boom guys, you can see I'm not getting any error message. That means my OpenCV has been installed successfully. Guys, if you like this video, hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.